Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that there will be a little bit of echo in this voice recording because I'm filming, or rather I'm recording in a very different room. But anyhow, today we're going to plan in the Skinny Mini Happy Planner, but instead of being colorful and my usual spreads, which are very cute, it's going to be a little bit tame this time with just a few colors. But first we're going to take a whack at this affirmation card pack from Kikki.K that I recently hauled in a video. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to link that down below. So these are called affirmation cards, and the thing with this is that it has quotes that should motivate you or can be your personal affirmation. This one says, I am kind, I am smart, I am kind, I am confident, I am not afraid to be myself. And I thought that was a pretty good quote to abide by for this week. Now you also can write your own affirmations. There's like I think 20 or 10 cards that are blank, but I have yet to go into that. I'm also using something else from Kikki.K, which is this sticky notepad, and I have been lusting over this for so long, ever since it came out, but it was quite pricey. When I went to Kikki.K the last time, they were on sale, like a massive sale, and this was 50% off, so I was finally able to get one. I also got a lot of other things, so if you'd like to know what I got, make sure to check out that video. I'm going to link that down below. The grid paper or grid sticky note that I am using here is from Typo. It's not very expensive, and I think that shop is also on sale. Their old stock are on sale, so make sure to check that shop out as well. These girl stickers are from AliExpress, and this is actually my AliExpress spread, but as you've noticed, I used a couple other things that are not from AliExpress. Now, AliExpress is a website or an app, if you don't know already, and they have shops from China that sell these really cute stickers, stationery, appliances, small electronics, and a lot of other things. Now, I'm on there only for stationery, and I already got a planner there, a whole bunch of stickers, washi, very good cheap washi, and a ton of stickers, as I have mentioned, just like the one that I'm using here. Now, just make sure that you are buying from a reputable seller. You will know because they will tell you that they are a top brand. And make sure to always read the reviews. In terms of shipping, it will take weeks. I think mine is usually 3 weeks, and that's good enough for shipping. I always get the one that you can track because I have anxiety if I do not know when a package will arrive. So here I just lined the pages using my Stabilo pens and highlighters so that it can be a guide for me when I am writing things down. I am also grabbing this tiny sticker coat from Kikki.K, another one of those 50% off goodies. They have just recently opened, so they should have still a lot of stocks, especially the ones that are near me. They're pretty good. The washi that I'm using is also from AliExpress, and they're a bunch of, or a pack, no, it's a box. It's a box of grid stickers, and I use it quite often. It's one of my favorite things that I got from AliExpress. Now I'm only putting a few deco stickers here and there because I really want this planner to be more utilitarian, but at the same time have a few interesting pieces on there. So I'm using the very aesthetic ripping washi deco, and it's very useful for this kind of planner because this planner is super tiny. So ripping it gives you not only valuable space, but it makes it really cute, and your tiny strip of washi can go a very long way. I am centering a lot of placing a lot of the decos on the edges because I don't really use the edges that much. It's hard to write on them when you're getting to the very end of the page. I'm also avoiding the disk space because my hand can't comfortably write if it's on the way. And then I'm putting, I think this is the last thing I'm going to put on here, and that is the Make It Happen little sticker from Kiki K. And just a few more things. Trimming the edges, making sure that everything is good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and write down the affirmation from the card onto the page. I'm not going to stick this card onto this planner because one, it's too big, second, it's too bulky. And of course, I really want to reuse this. So there you go. And we are completely finished. So if you like this plan with me, make sure that you give it a like. And if you like some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. I post quite regularly nowadays. I don't know, I'm completely motivated to share my planning techniques with you guys. And I think I missed it. I missed it a lot. It's very therapeutic actually to film, to edit, to voice over, everything. I'm really enjoying what I do. And I think this spread looks pretty good. Now, in terms of functionality, we shall see. Make sure that you are following me on Instagram to see my completed spreads. I post both the fresh spread before the pen and the completed spread as well. And that's it. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you guys are coping, and I'll see you soon.